Thank you for joining me at ELECTRO-TECH UG. We have something that is special and it's about automatic security lights wiring. It's a simple demonstration that you can easily carry out at home, and we are going to get the reason as to why we use mechanical relays or timers to switch heavy loads. Let's dive into this. The following will be the materials needed. We shall have a universal lamp holder, or you can have either pin or screw depending on the available. We have a Crouzet MUR3 relay timer that we shall use during our setup. You should take note of its wiring diagram, the different functions that it has. Basing on its specifications, we have a time of 0.1 second to 100 hours, a voltage of 12 to 240 volts AC stroke DC, an operating frequency of 50 to 60 Hz, are rated 8 amps. We also have a contactor. You should take note of its ratings as well, the different operating voltages, the short circuit amperage, and the rest, the maximum fuse rating that you should use. This is a simple demonstration of what we want to achieve, and we are going to look at the procedures that we shall follow in order to make it happen. This is a combined power and control diagram that I managed to create according to my connections. To begin with, first get our power supply cables, and we are going to start with the control circuit, whereby our supply will be connected to pin number 15, which is the common of our relay timer, and the other connected to the coil terminal L1 of the relay. Then from pin number 18, which is a normally open contact, will be taken to coil terminal A1 of our contactor. Then you have to supply the neutral to both A2s of the contactor and the relay timer. Power supply is then passed through L1 and L2 to T1 and T2, where the load is connected. The last step, we are required to set the timer. We have 3 selection modes. The first one is for selecting the time range, the next one is for selecting the exact time of operation, and the last one is for the function mode. Setup, I gave it a cyclic on and off, which is DI, and set time of 2 seconds for its operation, and that's why I received such an effect. Using such a setup, you can control heavy loads, since a timer alone cannot handle them due to its rated current carrying capacity, but a timer in conjunction with a contactor can easily switch on and off these loads, and as well protects from high inrush currents. Other than switching on directly by yourself, you get a device that does it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.